In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Behance link to Facebook and Instagram. Connecting your social media accounts to Behance is a great way to strengthen your online presence and help more people discover your creative work. Whether you're a designer, illustrator, photographer, or digital artist, linking your Facebook and Instagram profiles makes it easier for potential clients, collaborators, and followers to stay connected with you across different platforms. To begin, open Behance in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're on the main page, look toward the upper corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A menu will appear with several account options. From that menu, choose Edit Profile Info. This will open your profile settings where you can manage the information displayed publicly on your Behance profile. Inside the profile editor, locate the section called On the Web. This area allows you to add external websites and connect social media accounts so they appear neatly on your profile page with clickable icons. Start by connecting your Instagram account. In the search field within the On the Web section, type Instagram. Once the platform appears in the results, select the option to connect Instagram. Behance will then guide you through a secure authorization process. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen carefully. If you manage more than one Instagram account, make sure you select the correct account that you want connected to your Behance profile. During the setup process, you may also be asked to approve permissions. These permissions help Behance verify and display your Instagram connection properly. Before finishing, double-check that the username and profile image shown during the connection process belong to the correct Instagram account. Once completed successfully, your Instagram account will be linked directly to your Behance profile. Next, return to the same On the Web section and search for Facebook. Unlike Instagram, Facebook typically uses a username entry instead of a direct connection process. Choose the option to add your Facebook username. Carefully type your Facebook username exactly as it appears in your public Facebook profile link. For example, if your profile URL ends with your profile name, only enter that username portion without adding the full web address or extra symbols. If you use a professional Facebook page for your creative work, it's better to use that page username so visitors are directed to your professional content. Once both accounts are entered correctly, click Submit or Save to apply the changes. Behance will then add the corresponding social icons to your profile so visitors can quickly access your connected platforms. Take a moment to view your public profile and test both links to make sure everything opens correctly. If anything appears incorrect, simply return to the profile editor and update the information. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.